this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Kia Rio S Hatch, stock reference number 4501. This shape runs from the 8th month 2011 through to the 11th month 2016. It has a G4 FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual or front-wheel drive transmission. G4 FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiated grille, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with aftermarket 15-inch alloy mags, Avanti brand with good tyres. Left front door has 3 small dents, left rear door has 2 small dents, left rear 15-inch Avanti alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, it's got a tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch aftermarket Avanti alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door, 2 small dents, right front door, 1 small dent. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 15-inch aftermarket Avanti alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy vinyl 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.